Everyone. Today we are going to do a demo for the new HA solution across multi-zone with private IP. So Citrix has developed a new solution. Till now, the solution for HA across multi-zone, only possibility was you need to assign an elastic IP or a public IP. Then only the HA solution will work. But now from 13.0, 67.39 and above build, you can have your own uh, like your own HA solution with private IP. You don't need to assign an elastic IP. The best thing about this solution is you can easily integrate this with your existing solution. Let's say you already have an elastic IP solution in your production environment. You can easily add this solution to that if you require traffic for private IP also. So both of them will work together. It's not like you need to choose one. You can either choose any one of them or together also you can make it work. So one thing, we need to disable source and destination check that I'll show you later in the video. Coming to the demo, how it works is basically you'll be having a VPC 192.168.0.0/16, inside which you'll have in zone 1 netscaler, and in zone 2 another netscaler with different subnet. So first of all, you need to create a VIP, LB VIP with a private IP. This private IP should be user defined. The only condition is that this IP should not fall on your VPC subnet range. That means if your VPC is 192.168.0.0/16, then you can choose any IP like 10.10.10, 20.20.20, 191.5.5.5, or 193.7.7 to 220.x.x, anything except the IP range of your VPC. So in this demo, we'll be creating a web with LBV server 10.10.10. And then inside your VPC, we will create a route stating that any traffic going to 10.10.10, send it to the Ethernet to the client interface of the primary. And IAM role permission need to be there. After failover, the secondary box, which becomes primary, automatically detects the route and everything created for this 10.10.10 LBV server, and it will point it to the secondary ENI Ethernet 7. Here it is, and the traffic will not be affected at all. Client will still be connecting. So let's start it. So first of all, you need to have a IAM permission. So these are the IAM permission which are required, which are like describe instance, describe address, dissociate, route table, delete route, create route, IAM get route. So these are the IAM permission which are required. So I have created IAM permission and assigned to my primary and secondary box. So you can see HA multi-zone box is there. And this also HA multi-zone. Again, another thing, right now I'm using elastic IP solution for this. So I already have a public IP created. So which I should be able to connect, yes. So this, I'm just showing you that how easily this solution can be integrated with the existing one. Now let's start. So the first thing is this is my primary box and this is the secondary. I will log into my primary box and I will create a LBV server. I can pick any subnet. So I cannot pick this subnet, okay, because this lies in the VPC subnet. So except this, I can pick anything. So here I'm picking 10.10. Okay. The configuration are very simple, like how you create a normal LBV server. You don't have to create IP set and all. IP set not at all required for this solution. This is as easy as you do like a normal netscaler. So I have created a LBV server. It's up and running. Now the second part I need to do is I need to go to my VPC where my NetScalers or Citrix ADC are there. I'll go to route table. I'm using main route table. So I'll come here. I will add a route 32 and I need to point it to my primary client interface where the client traffic is coming. So I'll select network interface and then I'll just copy paste. So this is what I'm going to do. You can choose. I'm only using one LPV server, so I'm giving 10, 10, 10, 32. In case you have multiple, you can give the subnet as this also. That means any subnet ranging this, send it to client interface. Okay, so route is created. The good thing about this solution is it even works with transit gateway also. So you don't have to worry if you're using transit gateway to connect between different VPC or from on-prem to the cloud network. So transit gateway is also supported, so you don't have to worry. So this I have created. Let me just connect to this box. Curl 10, 10, 10. It shouldn't work. Yes. The reason I'll tell you is one thing you have to make sure for the first time only, you need to disable this check. So I will go to my primary ENI, change source test check and disable it. Remember, this is only for the first time because first time the Citrix ADC doesn't know about the topology and everything. So that's why first time you need to disable it on your own. From second time onwards, because of this IAM permission we are giving to this, it will be happening automatically. So you don't have to worry about it every time. So now the traffic should be up and running. Yes, you can see I am able to access it. So the setup is ready. Let me connect to my secondary and no, this box. I don't know which box it is. 1 second. Let me go to my instances. Primary. And let me connect to my secondary. Okay. This is the log you should be seeing. And on the primary also. Okay. So now how the solution should work is right now my traffic, the curl I am doing from the client is coming to 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Going to the route table, finding out I need to connect to the primary ENI, and then going to the Citrix ADC primary and going fine. After failover, what we should see that, first of all, since I'm using Elastic IP solution, I should see that my public IP gets moved to the secondary here. And the second thing is the route should automatically, this ADC when becoming primary should automatically identify the route for 10.10.10 and change it to its own client interface, which is 4EDB. So let's see. So right now, this is primary. Let me do, no, this is, This is primary. Let me do a force failover. And on the secondary, okay, it's done. You can see how fast it was. First of all, it moved the elastic IP, and later it automatically found that the route for client was pointing to primary ENI, which was 9F, and we should change this to secondary. So if I go to route table, you see 9F. Let me refresh. It got changed to the secondary ENI. Coming to traffic, let's see. Traffic is working fine. So you can see it's working perfectly fine. Let me do one more failover to confirm. This time this box is primary, so and this is secondary. So here I should see the log. So let me do one more force failover. Done. Let me refresh this page. You see how fast it was. Within like 1 or 2 seconds, the overall thing happened. In the log also, it now found out that it was pointing to secondary and it changes to 9F. And traffic, let's see the traffic. Traffic is also working fine. So overall, it's working fine. Let me do one last time. So right now it's primary. Let's do a force failover. Yes. So now, first of all, the elastic IP solution should work. Let me refresh. And you see the elastic IP solution is also working fine. It got changed. And route table should be pointing to EB, the second ENI. Let's see. Yeah. And again, the client traffic. So you can see the client traffic is working fine. The elastic IP solution is working fine. Everything is working fine. The failover time is very fast. So that concludes the demo. Just one last thing from my side is the IAM permission. Make sure you give the following IAM permission. Thank you.